friends, welcome back to Novita Creations. Today I am telling a children moral story called The Trustless. In the kingdom of Ujjaini, there were two friends, Subbaya and Rajaya. Rajaya was a true friend, but Subbaya was friendly to Rajaya when he was in need. He always awaits the time to cheat him. Rajaya was married. Suguna was his wife. She was virtuous. They had a daughter. But they were unhappy for not having male offspring. So they were in thought of visiting pilgrim centers. Subbaya and Rajaya had a land of 10 acres each. That year crops were grown well. Rajaya had got 120 bags of paddy and Subbaya has got 80 bags only. So he was jealous on Rajaya. Some time passed on. Rajaya named his daughter as Sumalata. His mother-in-law, father-in-law and brother-in-law came. They were discussing the visiting pilgrimage. Just then Subbaya came there with his son. He said, Rajaya, paddy has no rate now. Let us wait for a time till we can get a proper high rate. Rajaya nodded his head and said, I am also thinking so. We are all going on a pilgrimage. Please sell my paddy when you got a high rate. I will take the money when I return. Can you help me doing it? Subbaya agreed to do so. Rajaya gave the keys of his granary and went on his pilgrimage with all the members of his family. Due to the droughts and famines in the neighboring kingdom, the price of the paddy rose high. So Subbaya sold away his and Rajaya's paddy at a high price and purchased gold with that amount. But one night, some burglars entered his house and robbed the gold. Meanwhile, the king's soldiers followed them. The burglars had thrown the gold on a tamarind tree. The next day, Rajaya returned. He saw the gold bag on the tree. He found the gold ring among the gold ornaments which he had once presented to Subbaya's son. They all went to his house. Subbaya rebuked Rajaya. Burglars took away all the gold which was bought with yours and my money. Due to your gold, I lost my money also. I could give nothing to you. He went on saying, without giving any chance to Rajaya to speak. Subbaya, listen to my words, said Rajaya. But Subbaya went on saying, I lost everything because of helping you. You should give whatever I had lost. Subbaya, we found your bag of gold. I recognized this ring. That's why I brought this gold to you without handovering to the soldiers. They all went to Rajaya's house. Suguna and Sumalata offered drinking water. Rajaya handed over the bag to Subbaya. By seeing it, Subbaya realized his mistakes. Rajaya, this is your gold. I purchased it with your money. Now, gold rate has increased. You are very lucky. You are kind-hearted and virtuous. I planned to steal your money, but you gave my money. Everything will be favorable for you. God, Kasi Vishweshwara, Goddess Annapurna will bless you. You will be blessed with a son, said Subbaya. In no time, Rajaya was blessed with a son. He was named after Vishweshwara Rao. All were happy. Moral is, a trustful man will be benefited and the trustless gain nothing. I hope you like this story. Please subscribe Novita Creations. If you like this video, please share this video to your friends and also like this video. Listening stories can help to improve our children English vocabulary and memory power. Thank you. Bye. See you soon.